In this video, we're going to take a look at an introduction to matrices and do a few activities from G.1. So there's some matrix vocabulary we're going to talk about here. A matrix is a rectangular array, and what we have to remember here is that the rows are horizontal and the columns are vertical, and that's what this picture over here is to help us remember. These support things right here are called columns, and they always go up and down. So if you can remember that, the columns are always going up and down, and rows have to go left and right. A matrix is made up of elements, and each number or variable in a matrix is an element. We can also figure out the number of elements if we know the dimensions. We can just multiply them together. So for example, if we have a 2 by 3 matrix, then 2 times 3 is 6. It should have 6 elements. Let's take a look at some examples of those. Alright, matrix A. I'm naming a matrix with a capital letter. I normally will do that. I want to find the dimensions. Dimensions means rows by columns. Rows are left to right, so I have 1, 2, 3 rows and 1, 2 columns. So this is a 3 by 2 matrix. Matrix B here is a 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 1 column. In matrix C, we can see most of this here has 2 rows and 4 columns, so the dimensions are 2 by 4. There are specific types of matrices, and one of them is called an identity matrix, and we'll get to that momentarily. We're going to switch to IXL. Okay, G.1. How many elements does it have? Well, it's a 1 by 2, so you can multiply. You can just count 1, 2. Alright, dimensions. Rows is 1, 2, and columns up and down there's only 1 column. Okay, now this has the same number of rows as columns, 3 by 3. That also makes it a square matrix. Now this isn't asking for dimensions, it's asking elements, and you can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or if you take 3 by 3, you can multiply and you get 9. This has 4 elements. A zero matrix would be all zeros, and we have a couple of ones here, so no, that is not a zero matrix. And we have a 2 by 3 matrix here. A square matrix has to have the same number of rows as columns, which makes the shape of a square. And so in this case, you have 3 and 3. So yes, that is a square. Okay, element A21. It goes rows, columns. So it's row 2, column 1. So row 1 is 9, 6. Row 2 is 2, 0. So row 2 is 2, 0 right here. And column 1 would be this 9, 2 column. So that overlaps right here at this 2. Okay, row 1, column 1. Row 1 is this one. Column 1 is this one. So that overlaps right here at the 4. Okay, square matrices. These are actually all square matrices. Might feel like a trick question. It's not intended to be. If you look at the dimensions, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, as long as the two dimensions are the same, it's going to be a square. Okay, at this point, if you have more questions, please email me and let me know.